Number 10. Barn owls, Tyto are found on all continents except Antarctica. They inhabit a wide range of habitats including grasslands, deserts, forests, agricultural areas, and even urban environments. They are particularly common in open habitats such as grasslands and agricultural fields where they hunt for small mammals like mice and voles. Number 9. Male and female barn owls can be differentiated by several physical characteristics. Typically, females are slightly larger than males, although the difference may not always be easily noticeable. In some cases, females may have slightly darker or more heavily marked plumage compared to males, but this can vary among individuals and populations. While both male and female barn owls produce similar calls, females often have higher-pitched voices compared to males. These differences, however, may not always be reliable for determining the sex of a barn owl, especially without close examination or specialized techniques such as measuring body size or DNA analysis. Number 8. Barn owls possess exceptional hearing and vision, which are crucial adaptations for their nocturnal hunting behavior. Barn owls have highly sensitive ears adapted for locating prey in complete darkness. Their facial disc, a unique feature among owls, helps to funnel sound toward their ears, allowing them to detect the slightest rustle of prey, even under dense vegetation. Their hearing is so acute that they can accurately locate prey solely by sound, even when it's hidden from view. While barn owls primarily rely on their acute hearing for hunting, they also have excellent low-light vision. Their large, forward-facing eyes provide binocular vision, helping them judge distance accurately when hunting in dim light. Additionally, barn owls have a high density of rod cells in their retinas, which enhances their ability to see in low-light conditions. Overall, barn owls have evolved a remarkable combination of sensory adaptations that make them highly efficient nocturnal predators. Number 7. Barn owls typically nest in a variety of locations, preferring quiet, secluded spots with minimal disturbance. Here are some common nesting sites for barn owls. Barns and outbuildings. Barn owls often nest in old barns, sheds, or other agricultural buildings where they can find sheltered spaces. They may choose rafters, lofts, or other elevated areas to build their nests. Tree cavities. In wooded areas, barn owls may nest in natural tree cavities or use abandoned nests of other large birds, such as hawks or crows. They prefer trees with dense foliage that provides cover and protection. Cliff ledges. In more rugged terrain, barn owls may nest on cliff ledges or rocky outcrops. These natural formations offer secure nesting sites away from ground predators. Nest boxes. Conservation efforts often involve providing artificial nest boxes for barn owls in areas where suitable natural nesting sites are scarce. These nest boxes mimic the size and shape of natural cavities and can be placed in barns, trees, or on poles. Barn owls typically line their nests with regurgitated pellets and soft materials such as feathers, fur, or shredded vegetation. They may reuse nesting sites from year to year if conditions remain suitable. Number 6. Barn owl babies, also known as owlets, hatch from eggs laid by the female barn owl. Typically, a barn owl clutch consists of 4 to 7 eggs, although larger clutches have been recorded. The female incubates the eggs for about 30 to 34 days until they hatch. When the owlets hatch, they are covered in white down feathers and are completely dependent on their parents for food and warmth. Both parents participate in caring for the young, with the male bringing food to the female and chicks while she remains with the brood. As the owlets grow, their downy feathers are gradually replaced by juvenile plumage, which resembles the adult feathers but may be less defined in coloration. The parents continue to feed and protect the young until they are ready to leave the nest, which typically occurs around 10 to 12 weeks after hatching. During this time, the young barn owls learn essential skills such as hunting and flying under the guidance of their parents. Once they become proficient flyers and hunters, they gradually disperse from the nesting area to establish their own territories. Number 5. Barn owls are primarily nocturnal hunters and feed mainly on small mammals such as mice, voles, rats, and shrews. They are highly efficient predators and have excellent hearing, which allows them to locate prey even in complete darkness. The diet of barn owls may also include other small animals such as birds, insects, amphibians, and reptiles, depending on availability. They hunt by flying low over open fields, marshes, or grasslands, listening for the sounds of their prey moving below. Once they detect prey, they swoop down silently and capture it with their sharp talons. Barn owls typically swallow their prey whole, and they have a unique digestive system that allows them to regurgitate pellets containing the indigestible parts of their meals, such as bones, fur, and feathers. These pellets can provide valuable information to researchers studying the diet and ecology of barn owls and their prey species. Number 4. Barn owls have distinctive feathers that contribute to their silent flight and efficient hunting. Their feathers are soft and fluffy compared to those of other owls, which helps to muffle the sound of their wing beats as they fly. This silent flight allows barn owls to approach their prey without being detected. The coloration of barn owl feathers varies depending on the individual's age and geographic location, but they typically have a mix of light and dark colors that help them blend into their surroundings. The upper parts of their feathers are often a mottled combination of brown, gray, and white, providing camouflage against tree bark, rocks, or other natural surfaces. Barn owls also have specialized features on their wing feathers called serrations or comb-like structures, which help to break up airflow and reduce turbulence during flight. This adaptation further contributes to their silent flight and enhances their ability to sneak up on prey. Overall, the unique structure and composition of barn owl feathers play a crucial role in their hunting success and survival in their natural habitat. I hope you're enjoying this video. Before we get to the top 3, please could you take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel, as it would be a great help. Number 3. The barn owl, Tyto alba, is one of the most widespread species of owl, with a global distribution that spans across every continent except Antarctica. They are highly adaptable birds, found in a wide range of habitats including grasslands, forests, deserts, agricultural areas, and even urban environments. Their ability to thrive in diverse habitats contributes to their widespread distribution around the world. Number 2. Barn owls are known for their eerie, raspy screeches rather than the typical hooting associated with other owl species. The male barn owl in particular emits a distinctive high-pitched shriek that is often repeated several times, especially during courtship or territorial displays. This call is quite different from the deep hoots of some other owl species, adding to the unique vocal repertoire of the barn owl. Number 1. Barn owl populations have faced declines in some regions due to habitat loss, pesticide use, and collisions with vehicles. However, their population numbers can vary greatly depending on the region and the availability of suitable habitat. Conservation efforts, such as providing nest boxes and protecting habitat, have helped stabilize or even increase barn owl populations in some areas. Additionally, barn owls are widespread and adaptable birds, so they can still be found in many parts of the world, including rural and agricultural areas where they hunt for rodents and other prey. In some regions and under certain conservation efforts, barn owl populations have indeed shown signs of stabilization or increase. This is often due to habitat restoration projects, the installation of nest boxes, reduced use of pesticides, and other conservation measures aimed at supporting these birds. However, population trends can vary by location and are influenced by factors such as habitat quality, prey availability, and human activities. Ongoing monitoring and conservation efforts are essential to ensure the continued recovery of barn owl populations where they have declined. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from the video, and we'll see you on the next one.